Understanding Valve Repair, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, valve repair. This topic might seem technical, but we'll break it down together. Whether you're interested in engineering, medicine, or just improving your English vocabulary, this video will be useful. So, let's get started. The word valve can be used in different contexts. Primarily, it refers to a device that controls the flow of a liquid or gas. You can find valves in many places, like in your home's water system or in a car engine. In biology, valves are structures that regulate the flow of fluids in the body, like in the heart or veins. Now, let's look at the word repair. To repair something means to fix it or restore it to a working condition. It's a common term used in various fields, from simple home fixes to complex machinery maintenance. Combining these two words, valve repair, can have different meanings based on the context. 1. Mechanical valve repair. In an engineering or mechanical context, it refers to fixing valves in machines or pipelines. 2. Biological, medical valve repair. In medicine, it often relates to surgical procedures to fix heart valves. Let's see some example sentences. The plumber completed the valve repair in the kitchen sink. The patient underwent a successful valve repair surgery. These examples help illustrate how valve repair can be used in everyday conversations and technical discussions. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of valve repair. Remember, context is key to understanding phrases like this. Keep practicing, and you'll master these terms in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.